What is going on, guys, and welcome back to another video. Now in this video, and we are going to be talking about a very cool niche that a lot of you overlook and not really go out and promote. And also I'm going to be showing you a unique traffic method in order to work with this niche that I'm sure 99% of you have never heard about before. And this is a very cool quality traffic method that you can go out and you can promote this very special niche. And so the first thing that you want to do is you want to go into offer world, right? Now, depending on what kind of network you're working with, maybe you're working with Maxbounty, maybe you're working with another network, you're going to be going out and you're going to be looking at offers in the special niche having to do with that special network. So I actually have a Maxbounty account, but because I know that many of you do not have a Maxbounty account, we're going to be using the site called Offerworld, which makes it super easy to go out and find different offers. And so what we're going to do is we're going to go out and we're going to pick the special niche and we are going to see what kind of offers we can go out and promote with. And what is this niche? This niche is called travel, right? So if I pick travel, I can see some interesting niches. You're going to see Maxbounty here. You're going to see other offers. You're going to see other verticals. And why exactly are we doing travel? Well, actually, if you didn't know, travel is actually picking up. Okay, we had a whole situation last year. We kind of still have it this year a little bit, but everything is improving. Everything is picking up. Countries are opening up again. People are healthier, and more and more people are traveling, right? So here's a term that I Googled for, and as you can see, you see air travel picking up, and this time recovery seems like it's real. Okay, so you could read these articles. This is actually true. You can even go to Google Trends and you can see how it's slowly, they had a dip and now it's slowly, gradually going up. And so if you go into Offerworld, you're going to find a lot of interesting travel offers. And take a look at this. We have this travel here selected and take a look how many offers we have. We have pages and pages of different offers. Here I see Maxbounty offer. If I scroll down, here's another Maxbounty offer. So you can find offers from all kinds of different networks, right? So regardless if you're a member of Maxbounty or you're a member of another network, you can find offers to promote. And how exactly are we going to be promoting travel? Well, I'm going to tell you in a second. So there's lots of ways of promoting travel. So if you take a look at this diagram that we have here, you have your visitor, you have your traffic source, you have different ways of promoting it, right? This is a these two are free traffic methods. So I'm going to go ahead and highlight them with a different color. So let's say these are both yellow. This stands for free. Actually, let's make it green. I think green is a nice color for free, right? These are paid traffic methods. So we all know about these paid traffic methods: Bing ads, Facebook, Google ads, Google display ads, YouTube ads. But what you don't know is this very unique traffic method that I'm going to go and show you in just a second. But we also have free traffic methods. So even with the traffic method that I'm about to show you, there's all of these other traffic methods that you can go out and you can promote with. Okay, so you don't have to stick to that traffic method. You should be aware that there are other traffic methods as well, right? And we have the traffic source. We may be doing email collection, website landing pages, affiliate. This is our affiliate network, Maxbounty or something else. And these are our verticals. We're going to be doing travel. This is our master CPA affiliate marketing diagram, right? And so what is our traffic network? Well, first of all, before I show you the traffic method, before I actually show you the traffic source, I want to show you a really good site, right? This site is called TripAdvisor. Now, I don't know if you heard about this site or not, but this site is huge, right? This site does a lot of reviews. There are articles about travel. There are articles about, different places to visit. They have restaurant reviews. They have hotel reviews. They have lots and lots of reviews. It's a huge site. And just how big is this site? Well, this site had over 100 million visits last month, 127 million visits last month. And look at this. It's going up, right? So it had less than 100 million end of last year, and then it's gradually picking up, and that should tell you that travel is picking up. And take a look at these high quality traffic sources. We have over 75% from the United States, 2% from the UK, and then you have some of the other countries, and these are EU countries. We have Canada as well. But the most important thing is that we have 76% coming from the United States, which is a high quality traffic source, right? Because people in the United States, they have money to spend, they have disposable income. It's a relatively, wealthy country. So this tells you that the traffic you're going to be buying using this method, this is going to be a paid traffic source, is going to be very, very high quality traffic. And so here's an article. TripAdvisor launches its first serve advertising platform. New TripAdvisor Media Manager helps small and mid-sized businesses reach massive global audience, right? So you have this article here. And what exactly is a self-serve advertising platform? This is like Facebook ads, this is like Bing ads, this is like Google ads. It's all of these sites that allow you to go out and buy traffic on your own, right? You don't need a sales manager. You don't need somebody on the company, inside the company, to work with you. You don't need to call anyone. It's a way to buy traffic that we're all used to, right? Quora ads, Reddit ads, Twitter ads, all of these ways of buying traffic. This is what a self-serve advertising platform essentially is. And here we are, right? This is, if you go to TripAdvisorMediaManager.com, you can maximize results on your own terms with TripAdvisor Media Manager. And you can create a free account. I actually already have an account. And so I'm going to log in with my account, and I'm going to show you the dashboard. And I'm going to show you how you can actually go out and buy this traffic. So here I am actually in my dashboard account. Very, very easy. We have all these stats that you can show stuff. We have ads. We have bookings. We have reports, we have fact, we have a lot of interesting things. And all you have to do is click on this one, and all you have to do is click this button called New Ad Campaign, and you can create a new ad campaign. So we're going to go out and we're going to do this together so I can show you exactly how to do it. So I'm just going to call this Travel 1. Travel 1, we're going to choose a platform. Let's say we want to do desktop. And the next thing we want to do is we want to select a targeting option, right? And it says here, select a targeting option according to the destination level you wish to target. The less granular the destination, the lower the price per impression. So this is very, very important to understand, is that if you are doing targeting, the more you kind of use this method, the more expensive the traffic is going to be. So I don't really think it's that important for you to target specific places, specific cities, specific countries, because you know that we just saw that they're getting like 77% of the traffic from the United States. So if you're working with a United States offer, then it's going to be great anyway, even without the targeting. But let me show you exactly how this works. So if I click this select targeting options, I have all destinations, right? It's only $12 CPM, which is $12 per 1,000 impressions. We have behavioral targeting, which is a little bit more expensive. We have country destinations. It's also a little bit more expensive. We have destination retargeting, city destinations, right? You can do that. And you have state and region destinations. Obviously, this is recommended because this is the most expensive option here. But honestly, when you're starting out, you can just stick to something like this, and you can see how it works, right? You can see the description. You can see the creative sizes. This is how it's going to look. You're going to have the ad. So this is the creative. 300 by 250 means it's going to have a banner. It's going to be a banner ad. 300 is the width. 250 is the height, right? So it's kind of like a box. And this is what is going to appear, right? We have another creative size here. And this is going to be like this. It's called a skyscraper in some circles, which means that the width is 300 and the height is 600. So there's this tall banner that's going to be displayed here. And then we also have the, your traditional banner ad, 728 by 90, which is going to appear here, right? So we can just click on confirm. And now you selected this targeting option. Take a look at this one. The next thing you want to do is you want to enter your budget. The budget determines how many times your ad will be displayed. You know the cost of the ad. You know that you're going to be essentially paying $12 per 1,000 impressions, which is not very expensive. It's actually a very, very competitive price. And remember, you're going to be getting high quality traffic from this side. We also have a targeting layer, so you can go out and you can pick, the countries you want to target. But, you can just pick United States if you want. But you are aware that the majority of traffic you're going to be getting is going to be from the United States. Next, we have the creatives, right? You can just upload your creative. You have these creative best practices where take a look at this amazing, amazing resource they have here, right? Making better branded banners. Say that, 10 times faster. making better branded banners. And it says messaging here, include a single call to action, branding, imagery, etc., etc. And you can go to a tool like Canva and you can create this for absolutely free. Here's a little sample that you can model your banner on if you want. Or you can just go to on Fiverr and create maybe even a nicer banner for like $5 to $10. Very, very simple. You can click on next and you have best practices in action, right? Take a look at this one. And it even tells you like what kind of banners to create. This is do, this is don't. And actually, even if you're not going to be advertising with them, they even give you like amazing resources. So even if you're not going to be using this traffic method, but you're going to be using banner advertising like this display network, Google's display network, etc., etc., you're getting value, right? They're actually telling you what's working and what's not, right? They're giving you a color palette. Use the color, the use of color. The use of color should vary depending on the surface or application, always striking a balance between optimism and sophistication, right? So you can kind of read this. Photography, right? This is what you should not do, and this is what you should do. So this is some amazing, amazing resources that they're telling you. I'm going to go ahead and close that, and here we are. So that is all you have to do. Here you can just enter the budget. Let's say you want to spend $100 and you're going to be getting 8,000 impressions. Let's say you want to spend $20, you're going to be getting 1,666 impressions, right? Remember, it's $12, right? If I put $12, it's 1,000 impressions. So everything is going to go off the budget, right? Double the budget, I'm going to double the impressions, right? Very, very easy math. We have that. We're going to upload a creative here. And an easy way to create a creative, you simply go to canva.com and you're going to log in using your account. I already have an account. And so here I am logged in with Canva. We're going to go and click on create a design. We are going to do you can do a custom size, and we're going to do 300 by 250, something that they suggested. You're going to do this. And then you have all these templates that you can use, right? So here's a template here. Let's say we're going to have something like this. You can put, travel. You can change this is awesome, whatever you want. And then you need a button, right? You need some kind of an element, which is called a call to action. So let's see if we can have a template that we can use. Oh, this is a nice one. How about this one? We can just drag it here and we're going to replace the current page and take a look how beautiful it is, right? And then you just need a call to action. And all you have to do is just draw this thing. We're going to drag and drop this box here, and we're going to create a button out of it, right? All you have to do is this. You can just place it right here, center it, and then you can just go out and you can put some text on it. Very, very simple, right? Just drag and drop this. You can make it smaller, and then you can just put click here. And that's all you have to do. Very simple. And look at that beautiful ad that we created. We can even make it bigger, not too big, maybe something like this. Click here, and that's all you have. And now you have a call to action, explore the outdoors. And then all you have to do is click download. We're going to save it as you can do it as a PNG. Let's do it as a PNG. I'm going to hit download. And now it's downloading. It just downloaded. I'm going to go back to my campaign manager, and I'm going to upload this creative here, right? So I'm going to go ahead here, upload your creative. I'm going to select the size, 300 by 200. I'm going to drag and drop it here. I'm going to hit save. And now we have the creative, right? Destination URL is going to be our affiliate URL, whatever your affiliate link is. I'm going to put, let's say, news.com. You're going to hit save. And now you're going to have your creative here, right? This is our creative. You can edit it. You can do all this. The next thing you have to do is you have to click this button, check availability, just to see if there's enough inventory available for our 2,000 impressions, right? So I'm going to hit check availability here. And there it tells you, great news, the 2,000 impressions you selected are available. You can increase the reach of your ad campaign. There are 60 million impressions available, right? So there's a lot of inventory available. You have these settings. You have a lot of interesting things. You also have a start and an end date, so you can run it for a month, time zone in a specific time zone if you want. And then all you have to do is click save. It's going to add to cart, and you can go out and make your purchase. It's that easy. And as a result, you have access to a very, very high traffic source that you can go out and you can buy traffic for all kinds of interesting campaigns. In this video, we are talking about travel niche, but you can go out and you can promote ClickBank travel offers, you can promote ShareASale travel offers, you can promote all kinds of offers with this high quality traffic source. All right, guys, so this is the method that I wanted to show you today. Really hope you've gotten value here. If you enjoyed this video, smash the like button. Let me know if you have any questions or comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're interested in learning in all kinds of techniques and methods when it comes to CPA and affiliate marketing. All right, thanks again for watching, and I will see you in the next video.